Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the replacement tailgate handle latch that fits the Toyota Tundra from 2000 to 2006. Now let's take a look at this latch. So this latch, if you notice, it includes the surrounding trim, the handle, and if we flip it over, it also includes the clips that install to the metal rods that actually open the tailgate. You can also see here that there's a retaining clip here that's included that holds the lock cylinder in place. This handle and latch mechanism is a direct replacement for the factory one, so you'll remove the factory one and you'll install this one directly in place of the factory one. As you can see here, the mechanism here actuates when we pull the handle, and a lot of times on the factory one, this area breaks here, or the handle itself breaks, which prevents the tailgate from opening. If you guys have any questions, feel free to scroll down on the page and read the product description. If you still have questions, feel free to send us a message and we'll help you out as best as we can.